Gonna make a little short video here. What I'm working on today, 1970 Chevy Caprice, 454 big block. Removing the radiator because it's got a leak right here at the seam. Looks like somebody's tried to put some JB weld there before, so I figured gonna get it redone properly this time. See all that guck that somebody's been putting on there. So anyways, pretty simple. Start by undoing your hose clamp, and then you open up your little drain, your little petcock on the bottom there. You'll see it, it's like a little drain plug. You can do that, let the coolant just drain into a container. Then you'll have two little screw bolts, one on each side for the holding the shroud in place. They're 3/8 head bolts, and then you take those two out, and then you kind of just pull up on the shroud lightly, and it'll disengage, and you can just kind of move it out of the way. You see how much space you have to actually remove the radiator without having to mess with the fan or anything. So that's actually good. Then you'll have a couple of bolts along the side here. You can see here the that holds the actual radiator to the front cowl area here, radiator cross member or whatever. And so you take off those bolts. There should be a couple on each side. Once you got those out of the way, undo the bottom hose and just pull it straight up and out. Alright, just wait till it drains out, of course, or you make a nice little mess. But hopefully that'll be helpful for anybody working on something like this. Have a great day, guys.